Okay, we are in Chapter 6. We are doing multiplication tables of 6, 7s, 8s, and 9s. Our I can statement is I can find and make equal groups when dividing. Our first problem that we're going to look at is to divide 42 cubes into 6 equal groups. How many cubes does each group have? So what I'm going to do is write what I know. I know 6 times something equals 42. And this is asking me to divide 42 by 6 to get that number. So what I'm going to do, I don't know how many go in each group. I just know how many equal groups I have. I have 6 groups. So I'm going to make 6 groups. And we're going to pass out 42. I'll make these a little bigger so it's easier to see. Cubes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, and 42. Okay, so I don't know if you noticed, but as I pass out, I always pass out in groups of 5. So it's very easy for me to count how many I have in my equal groups. So in each of my equal groups, I have 7. So that tells me that 6 times 7 is 42. 42 divided by 6 is 7. I can also say 7 times 6 equals 42. And I can say 42 divided by 7 equals 6. This is a fact family. Okay? Here we have divide 48 marbles into 8 equal groups. How many marbles does each group have? Tells me I have 8 equal groups. If I know the fact 8 times 6 equals 48, I don't have to make all those circles because I can use what I know. So if 8 times 6 equals 48, 6 times 8 will equal 48. That means 48 divided by 8 is 6. 48 divided by 6 equals 8. I can use my fact family to help me. So there are 6 marbles. If I didn't know my facts, I would make 8 groups and I would pass out 48. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and so on. Okay. Another thing that you can do when you're trying to find out how many is it tells you that you have 8 equal groups. You can skip count by 8s. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48. You could skip count till you get to 48 and then you count how many times you did it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so there's a few ways that you can solve multiplication problems. So here it says divide glasses equally among 7 trays. So divide 35 glasses equally amongst how many does each tray have? Well, I am going to make 7 trays. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trays. All right, and I'm going to pass out 35 glasses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. So if I look, each one of my trays has 5 glasses. So then I know 35 divided by 7 equals 5. I could also say 35 divided by 5 equals 7, or 5 times 7 equals 35, or 7 times 5 equals 35. Okay, the other way I could figure this out is to skip count by 7s. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35. And if I circled these, I'd have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 group, 5 in each group. Okay? So the answer would be 5. Okay, so you're going to be using what you know to solve these problems. Here they want you to write 2 division sentences. So if I were to write for this one, it would be 36 divided by 4 and 36 divided by 9. And you can use all this space. And then you're going to solve this problem and dividing 48 beads into 8 equal containers. Dividing 56 stars into equal groups. Each group has 8 stars. This looks different. Okay, this is a different kind of problem. So here they're saying 56 stars and 8 in each group. So I'm going to skip count. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56. So that's me putting 8 in each container until I get to 56. And now I need to count how many times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's 7. 56 divided by 8 equals 7. So here they needed to know how many groups to make. Before we were told how many groups and they wanted to know how many are in each group. So it's a little different. Here, how many groups? Skip counting is the best way. So it says divide 54 crackers into equal plates of 6 crackers. So you would be skip counting by 6s until you get to 54. Here's filling in missing numbers. This is expressing, again, you're going to write out division sentences for these. So it would be figuring out first what is 6 times 9. And you would write 54. Now you're going to write 2 division problems. I'm going to put them up here. 54 divided by 9 equals 6. Then I would do 54 divided by 6 equals 9. So you're going to do that with both of those. Again, division facts, you can use multiplication facts to help you. These are some story problems. You have an exit slip, finishing the slide deck, of course, and then pages 113, 114, 115, and 116 in Flipgrid.